Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the keyboard has power and your device is ready to pair. Insert fresh batteries or charge the keyboard above 50% so pairing won't drop out. Turn the keyboard power switch on and find the dedicated Bluetooth or pairing button. On your phone, tablet, or laptop, open Bluetooth settings and keep that screen visible. This lets you confirm the device name when it appears. Once that's done, we'll put the keyboard into pairing mode and proceed to discover it from your device. Put the keyboard into pairing mode by pressing and holding the Bluetooth/pair button for about 3 to 6 seconds until the LED flashes or the indicator changes. This signals discoverability. Then, on your device in Bluetooth settings, tap Scan or Refresh. Locate and select the Perixx keyboard model name from the list. It usually includes Perixx and a model number. When prompted, either type the numeric PIN shown on screen into the keyboard, or simply accept the pairing dialog to complete the secure connection. Once paired, open a Notes app and type to confirm the keyboard responds and the layout matches your language settings. Make sure modifier keys like Shift and Alt function as expected. If not, change layout in your device's keyboard settings. If pairing fails, turn keyboard off and on, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, and repeat pairing. As a final step, check battery contacts, recharge fully, or update keyboard firmware if available. This resolves intermittent drops or key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.